Good morning, everyone. Dr. Minette Riordan here, and I wanted to drop a video in for you that talks about our new bundles because you may be looking at this going, Minette, what were you thinking? And I don't know which bundle is for me. So I wanted to take a couple of minutes and just give you some ideas about which one is for you so that you can take your time really making a great decision about what would support you at this particular stage in life. So I'm going to go ahead and actually share my screen here. And this is the shop page on our website. And you can see we've added four new bundles for Black Friday. And we do sales twice a year. We do a Mother's Day sale, and we love launching new products when we have a sale. And we do a Black Friday end of year sale every year. So this is the only time you will see these things actually at this awesome discounted price. So I did go a little bit crazy with the bundle creation because I had all these ideas in my head and wanted to really answer different questions that I get all the time from women in our sisterhood membership or women that join other programs or connect with me on our YouTube channel. And the first one is the sacred joy of making bundle. And when you're in the shop or on the Black Friday sales page, if you click on this, it will open up here and you can see everything that is included in the bundle. And I am not going to walk through everything that's in the bundle, but the sacred joy of making bundle is perfect for you if creativity has been calling. Sometimes it's calling quietly. Sometimes it's banging on the door really loudly, but you haven't given yourself permission to play or space to play. So this bundle is all about hands-on creative joy, permission to make art, and reconnecting with your creative spark. So this is for you if you're longing for more time to make art a central piece of your life. And it's also great if you're newer to using expressive arts as a way to reconnect to yourself, to express your emotions, get what's going on inside of you out on the page. And this could be really useful in this holiday season when things can get really stressful. The sacred joy of making is one, a little bit of a great escape, but it's also a really beautiful opportunity to reconnect to your both inner and outer creative expression. I'm going to go back here. Let's look at the Mythic Compass bundle. And, I don't play favorites normally, but this one definitely feels like a favorite for me of the three bundles that I created. And this one is for you if you're standing at a crossroads asking, what's next for me? The Mythic Compass bundle is all about orientation, and it's using art, journaling, mythic guidance, guided visualizations as a way to get more clarity and direction. So if you feel like you're between chapters, if you're a little lost, or if you're simply looking to carve out and create a new vision for what's possible in the coming year, then I would say the Mythic Compass bundle is absolutely perfect for you. The Soul Aligned Life Kit is a little bit different than the other two. This one is for you if you're craving inner alignment. If you've spent years listening to everyone else and you're really finally ready to listen to your own soul, this bundle gives you journaling, ritual, and gentle guidance to reconnect deeply with yourself using art and writing. So all of these bundles are based on my creative discovery cycle, which is a process of using both art and writing as forms of introspection and creative expression. So again, this one isn't for you if you're really looking for clarity, for calm, how to use art to connect it to your intuition, and how to trust in your own voice. So, those are our three bundles and a little bit about each one of them. You can also buy all three bundles for $111. That's on the Black Friday page. So you can get all three at a really awesome deal for basically almost just the price of two of them. You can get all three. And then finally, we wanted to put something together for those of you that are really in that place of seeking that you love DIY work. And the next chapter bundle basically includes everything we've created special for this time of year, plus a one-on-one coaching session with me to help understand how do I take everything that I'm learning in all these little mini courses and put it all together into a plan for my next chapter. So this includes all three bundles that I just told you about. It includes our brand new signature course, Who Am I Now, which I'll talk about in another video this week. And it includes a free ticket to our live event happening in January, your Goddess of the Year. Also going to talk about that more. So excited about that live event. And then again, that 90-minute coaching session with me, which is a custom coaching session designed to help you take all this information in your head floating around and really put it into a beautiful vision for 2026. And it's on sale for just over 50% off. This is a great way to get everything we're up to, plus my personal time looking at how do we make all of this really unique and specific to you? So I'm really excited about each of these bundles, and I worked hard on them again to answer some of those questions that I tend to get over and over. So just to quickly recap, that sacred joy of making is for you if you need creativity and joy in your life, and you want to use expressive arts as a wonderful form of reconnecting to the inner artist, but also a form of getting whatever's going on inside of you up and out onto the page in a way that feels really, really playful. The Mythic Compass is for you if you need direction. If you're trying to answer that question, what's next? I don't know where to go from here, then the Mythic Compass is the bundle for you. And if you're looking to reconnect to your intuition and seeking inner alignment in the next chapter, then the Soul Aligned Life Kit is for you. And then finally, if you want it all and you want to get a major head start on your next chapter as we go into 2026, then you're going to want to snap up that next chapter bundle and take advantage of the awesome deal. And of course, I'm here sporting another one of our fun t-shirts that my husband created. I came up with the sayings. He did the art. I love this one, Goddess with a Glue Stick. One of my favorite places to be. I'm never very far away from a glue stick in my studio or even on the road. So thank you so much for listening to this quick video. Thank you for checking out what's going on. We've had a lot of fun putting all this together, and hopefully this clarifies where to go and how to get started. So enjoy, and I will see you all soon.